Well, here we are at Lavaggio, and I'm here to check out the 1912 Oldsmobile Defender, and it is absolutely spectacular. They've done a job. If you want your car to be an absolute best of show car, this is where you come. Dustin Tryon, take care of this, and the boys are unbelievable here. The work that they do is absolutely spectacular. They had to touch it up where it was damaged on the way in on the paint. And can you imagine all of this to be hand polished and done? It's absolutely perfect. I just hope that I can keep it this way. This is absolutely unbelievable. Look at me, I'm having fun. And my mask is off. But look at this. Look at the work they've done on this car. It is absolutely spectacular. That's Fernando back there, the gentleman that he and his partner did this car. And let me tell you, when they detail a car, it is detailed. This is detailed inside, out, engine compartment, underneath, and everything else. You'll see it does leak a little bit, but it's 103 years old, and when you're 103 years old, you tend to leak. I'll tell you, at 81, I leak. But what the hell? That's neither here nor there. But look at this. Want to see what I saw first and I fell in love with? There it is. This is absolutely the finest set of headlamps I think that's ever been produced. They spent over $10,000 just having them cleaned up and repaired and so forth. There's a few little teeny ding-dongs in the radiator, but that's when you're 103 years old and pretty much original, with the exception of it's been restored at least once. It is absolutely spectacular. And all the little detail that I hadn't even been able to see before, there it is. And you know what's amazing about this? This is the original radiator cap for it. This is it. So this is probably one of the best ones in the world. They came out in 1912. This is one of the ones that was the first to be made, and it was only the small one. There were 3 different models made of this, and they were just chassis, and they would be sent out and have it rebodied or bodied. Somebody cared enough to spend and take it to the very best place that could make a body. I've never seen detail like this one in my life. But anyway, if you want your car to be a winner, take it to Lavaggio and have them do the final touch, because it's the last final touch that makes it an absolute winner. And I thank you guys. Anyhow, see you soon.